this video, I'm gonna go into the live markets as a full-time day trader. It is currently 9:25 a.m. Eastern time. So in 5 minutes, the New York Stock Exchange will open. That's when I will be trading. There will be the most volume banks will open, etc. This whole week, I have only taken one single trade, which was a break-even trade. I know, kind of weird, right? The reason why I haven't been trading much this week is because if you have checked the markets, the market conditions have been very surprising and very mid, to be honest, very mid-tier in the session open. So obviously as day traders, we cannot be trading every single day. Not every single trading day is a trading day. Hope you understand that. But regardless, if I find a trade, I'm going to show you two step by step. Enough talking, let's get into the markets. I entered longs on the order block on NQ NAS 100. We got a nice market structure shift. Looking for the price to go up from here. And 1 to 2 is good enough for me, to be honest, this time. Especially on Fridays. I'm gonna target this 1 minute bearish order block right here, so let's see what happens. So I made it to 900. Oh, 1,000. Congratulations. We gotta make at least 2,000. I mean, 1K is for sure good for me. Bang! That's what we fucking do. That's what we do. How did I take this trade? Simple stuff. Let me explain you. As you can see, I could potentially target even higher, but again, I've said this before. When I trade on Fridays, I don't really need to target that high. Why? Because Fridays and Mondays tend to have those consideration attacks, sideways movement attacks. So it's kind of risky. But let me just explain you how did I take this magnificent ass trade 1 to 2 reshort ratio. Essentially, there was a massive liquidity sweep on that. I believe that was a 4-time low right here. But you may wonder, why did I buy if this was a downtrend? Well, this was a downtrend, but you may think like, well, Adriel Cash, you always tell me that you should follow the trend. Absolutely, you need to follow the trend as well. But you have to understand that in the markets, there's things that could switch the trend direction, which is volume change. They can be caused usually from liquidity that we had in here. Liquidity sweep caused the price to switch momentarily, or news. We actually saw that today. Okay, there was 10 a.m. news. There was some volume change. Boom, we were going kind of up. I was looking to buy, but then the news hits, started to trend down, take out liquidity, and now we're going up again. That's how it goes. That's how the markets move. Okay, but obviously I would short in here in the downtrend. Now I'm gonna look for. Probably not gonna take any trades anymore. But let me explain you. There was a liquidity sweep. What do you have to see again? What do we have to see after that? We have to see the market structure shift. Look at this. There's this high right here because swept liquidity. There's gonna be this high. Then we closed above this by this up candle. That's the breakout structure number 1. Breakout structure number 2. Reshort ratio wasn't that clean, so I waited for it to tap into this order block. Boom, rejects a little bit. I got filled in here on my broker around here, and we got this nice 1 to 2, 1.99 reshort ratio, targeting this 1 minute bearish order block. I know it isn't much. This order block isn't much. I could have targeted this liquidity, but to be honest, even if it hits the TP right here, I'm cool. You know, it's Friday. This is the thing. Do not get too greedy in these markets. Tomorrow's gonna be a new. Actually, tomorrow is Saturday, so but markets are closed. But you get the point. So I made $1,166. Okay, with this one trade. Here's the PNL, and yeah, man, beautiful ass trade in my opinion. Yo, man, what an amazing trade. 1.1K approximately. Obviously, fees and shit, but you know, 1.1K. Beautiful ass trade, and essentially, I took that kind of late into the session, into the AM session. Normally I would trade only 30 to 60 minutes in the session, but I saw this nice setup coming and I was like, okay, let's just wait for it then. Boom. Essentially, it was a market structure shift after a huge sell side liquidity. Okay, and you know, amazing ass trade. But if you made it this far, comment down below, and you may wonder like, well, how can I also trade this? Well, I have a gift for you. Since you made it this far, click the first link in the description. It will take you to my free course. Okay, if you have already watched it, then join the free Telegram below the link. All right, as usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.